Sending money from the USA to Bangladesh can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. To begin, you need to choose a suitable method for transferring funds, such as online money transfer services, banks, or money transfer agencies. Popular options include Xoom, PayPal, and Western Union. First, you need to verify the recipient's information, including their full name, address, and bank account details if you are transferring money directly to their bank account. Ensure that the recipient's bank is supported by the money transfer service you choose. Next, create an account with your chosen money transfer service if you do not already have one. This typically involves providing your name, email address, phone number, and a valid form of identification. Once your account is set up, you can initiate the transfer by entering the recipient's details and the amount you wish to send. You will then be prompted to choose your payment method, which can be a bank account, credit card, or debit card. Be aware that different payment methods may incur different fees. After selecting your payment method, review the transfer details carefully, including the exchange rate, fees, and estimated delivery time. Once you confirm the transfer, the money will be sent to the recipient. The delivery time can vary depending on the service you use and the transfer method. Some services offer instant transfers, while others may take a few days. To avoid any issues, make sure to use a reputable money transfer service and keep the transaction reference number for your records. It is also essential to inform the recipient about the transfer so they can track the status and receive the money. In Bangladesh, the recipient can receive the money through various methods, including bank deposits, cash pickups, or mobile wallets. If the recipient is using a cash pickup service, they will need to present a valid form of identification and the transaction reference number to collect the money. In conclusion, sending money from the USA to Bangladesh requires careful planning and attention to detail. By choosing the right money transfer service, verifying the recipient's information, and following the transfer process carefully, you can ensure that your money reaches its destination quickly and securely. Always research and compare fees, exchange rates, and delivery times before making a transfer to get the best value for your money.